It's fairly quick and simple this morning as far as prosecutor's office is concerned. Where y'all stand in this, and where do we hope this goes from here?
Well, as you know, Mr. Buffington made his first appearance today in circuit court. I was in Judge Dennis's court for the purpose of advising him of what he's being charged with. And as you're aware, that was 4 different charges right now, which are escape, which is a Class A felony, kidnapping, a Class Y felony, theft of property, a Class C felony, and aggravated assault, a Class D felony. I believe the court did go ahead and set a bond in that case. I mean, go ahead and appoint the public defender in that case and set it for trial on February the 7th of 2015. And so at this point, what will happen is that the discovery process will take place, and the defense, if they're going to file any type of motions, will, and we'll prepare for that trial in February.
Mr. Buffington did say something in there about hoping this is going to be speedy and hoping to just get this over with. I guess, is that a priority for you guys as well?
Well, we always like to get these cases moved as quickly as we can. Of course, there's a lot of public interest in this case because of the time that it took to find him after he was gone, and so the quicker that we can accomplish it, is better for everyone.
You mentioned the public interest in this. There's a lot of questions out there. A lot of people are wanting to know just, why he escaped, what he did during the time that he was gone. I guess, what do you guys know about this?
Well, I can't comment about that, as you know. Ethically, I can't do that. It wouldn't be proper until his matter is resolved, and of course, and I know there's a lot of interest, and people want to know exactly what happened from the time he got out until he was caught. But unfortunately, that just can't come out because of his rights and also our interest in a fair trial until the trial happens.
Mr. Hunter, has he been cooperative with you?
Well, I don't, by cooperative, I don't know what you mean. I've not visited with him, so our office has had no interaction with him at this point. And the state police haven't brought me their final file yet regarding everything that happened from the time he escaped until they caught him. So I don't know any other way to answer that.
He did say in the court this morning that he's tried to be cooperative, tried to answer any questions, but I guess he meets with investigators.
Yeah, and I don't have any comment about that.
Like a lot of officers in there around him. The extra precaution when you're dealing with someone who's, an escapee.
Well, when someone's had a history of leaving, they're obviously they don't want anything to happen to where someone would be hurt, or he might have a chance to escape again. But I don't know that there was any real fear that would happen today. But it's the prerogative of the Department of Corrections to make sure security is appropriate. So that's what you saw, the decision of the Department of Corrections to have those people here.
And y'all, as a prosecutor's office, what is y'all's next step?
Our next step would be to give the discovery in this case to the defense lawyers and begin preparing this for trial in February.
Thank you, sir.